first time in this YouTube channel, karibu sana. If you are returning subscribee, hugs and kisses sending you all. And on today's video, we'll be taking you on a 3-bedroom house tour and also a 2-bedroom house tour in Rwaka. If you are going to enjoy the house tour and you want to maybe come in, so welcome. Unaweza kuja. It's around 48 to 50,000. Wow. This is the balcony of the space. It's in glass form. Yes, some sockets. There is this wooden one.
Yeah, definitely, because I really watch her vlogs. Like I know how the kind of the floor.
The floor.
I'm going to do laundry.
Oh my god. Alafu I love. Unajua kuwa umenotice kuna hizi zapa.
Wow. It's a good enough, especially that from white. This is something because most houses they don't like paint. They don't paint their walls white. So when they don't paint their walls white, unapata like how inakaa kadogo, because this one in the actual sense it's not like so many feet, but just because the walls like zina open up
the color itself,
everything, you just feel like this is it, this is the house.
Like how do you rate this house?
To me, this is a 9.5.
Why?
9.5 because the balcony, naona kama like imesqueeze
kidogo.
Because for me, an ideal balcony yenye inaweza fit like a tiny set ya kiti, table, carpet grass.
Oh yeah, yeah, it's true.
Even though ni tiny, but it's longer, so you could at least because mlango sio hapa. So you could like put on this side and you kuna cha open. But it's a beautiful one. Let's check out the bedroom.
Yeah, it's true.
Oh, okay. It's a tiny one, but this is good for an office.
An office one?
Yeah, this is good for an office because I don't believe this is the master.
Apparently, this is not the master.
And then the space, you know, you have a lot of space here. You can't complain really. You arrange and organize your things there. Oh, nice. You can go. This is good. And especially if you're looking for an office, you don't even need like a curtain. Yeah, just a sheer, or maybe usiku kama you're working in office, some of nachapa laptops and everything, and you don't want somebody to come in and do whatever they do. This is the best. The neighborhood. I actually, you know, when you have this view, you just feel like, oh, holy Mary, this is like what you want. Because most of the time you don't want to wake up and run into chaos.
Yeah, true,
so,
definitely.
like when you wake up and look at this, just like I'm motivated to work even harder. The windows are in a grill, and most of the time when you have grills on the windows, most people don't realize that in a like in a cover the lighting coming in. But now when you have them clear like this, the way you are just good because you wake up to sheer and the windows you want to wake up and feel the breeze on your face. And for me, this could be an office. Like I see myself living here.
And you can see this.
Yeah. And then
I love kitu ingine I have loved about this space. There are a lot of sockets.
Yeah.
Like they are not like kind of limited.
Nice.
Kuna ingine pia.
That's a lot.
In the floor.
The floor, the wood.
The wood, yeah.
Wait, don't you do for me? Oh my goodness. They actually have like a cubicle, shower cubicle. Which is nice.
Alafu kuna hii lighting ya hapa.
Above the mirror. Watu wa makeup ni nani?
Makeup
was sorted. This is the it. Me I think that's a lot of pressure. That's a lot of pressure. Oh, nice. This is good. Actually, I see myself living here.
Hey, Samia's God. Now this is the master bedroom.
Come see the master. Actually, it's master in suits. It has his and hers closet. This one here, this one here. So just
imagine I have not even noticed.
But do you think that it's kinda tiny?
It's actually
tiny.
For me, I think like it's tiny
because it has separate
walls. But for me, it's like tiny spaces. I look at them as intimate spaces. If it's tiny, it's intimate, it's cozy, that's a plus. Because sometimes you have a bigger room, but you're not like, I'm feeling lonely, but you know when everything is closer to you,
but
you feel like
then
you don't feel. So I feel this one, it's not like comparing this one to the other one, this is actually bigger. And for here, you only need maybe a 4x6 or max 5x6 bed, and you'll be good. You don't need a dresser because one, you have two closets over here. And the best thing is that the closet does not protrude outward. The way people actually like zinakuwa inches, ziko kwa wall. Yeah,
so at a space height.
Less, yeah, exactly. So I think this is actually like a plus for me. Yeah. And then, oh wow, okay.
Wow, okay. They have like installed already their shower head for them.
Yeah, iko do you lighting? But I wish kwa master wangeka tu nini, inaitwa nini? The bathtub. Because already they have the cubicle on the other side.
Ingekuwa much fun.
45 is a lot of money to not have a bathtub, I mean.
Alafu tena hawana mira. You see hawana mira.
I think mtu wako alitoa. But I like the lighting, the picture light above. It's so unique and classy. Because you compare this with what we have seen the other side, the fluorescent, I think this is better.
Alafu nzuri ikitu yenye inazuianga maji.
Maji iko hapo, so you are not in the
it splash.
I think it's a good idea. Vile tu sasa hiyo bathtub.
And the lighting is nice. If you're a content creator.
So what I realized in this house, if you move in, you're compromising for the kitchen. Because kitchen, haina light poa. You'll have like to do ring lights and everything. But in these other rooms, you just shoot, you're sorted.
So that's kind of an advantage. Alafu, I noticed that you can't have everything in one house.
Especially here in Nairobi, it's not possible kabisa.
Yeah.
It's not possible.
Ukipata moja, the other one you lose.
No, as I was saying,
the
the
kitchen
is actually dark.
But this one is it marble?
Yeah, it's actually not granite.
Granite.
Black granite, which is good because you actually have a plus that is the washing area. Where you fit your washing machine or any extra things that you're trying to hide, you just put them out here. But the lighting in here is what is not actually like good. But good space. Me, I think I like it. I could compromise on the kitchen actually.
On the kitchen? No, this one is more of a
washing area.
Unaweka washing machine hapa.
Unaweka washing machine, wata connect yes, unaona the pipes in there. And then anything you want to wash in the sink. Kama kuna doggy, you wash them in here. Alafu unaweza kuwa na ile rack ya kuhang nguo yenye si hang lines. Ile unaweka tu nguo zina ni because kutoka washing machine unaona ni easy.
Drainage ain't that bad.
It's not bad.
The only thing that I find iko na shida ni kitchen too lighting. And then here you see like venye iko hapa. Iko tu karibu like iko hapa.
But I think for this one itabidi umebuy tap yako.
But for 45k inafaa kuwa na mbili double.
Actually, that is something also. Inafaa upewe hiyo feedback. Moto. So
and
that is 9 out of 10.
Out of the entire house, I think I love
the sitting room.
Same. Mostly kwanza pale.
The window.
And then they have like
so
if you have a car, kuna place you can park. Wow, okay. Awesome.
Yeah, so we see the 3 bedrooms in here.
This is the 3 bedroom. Okay. Wow. Like there is a playground over there if you have kids, and also there is a swimming pool over there, so it's a nice place.
And then the light fixture is still running along. They don't light us.
Wow.
But this one, you see the living room is actually bigger. Because now for this one, I could fit in a 7-seater and my dining. Because you know my dining table is big with the chairs.
Yeah,
so
but that's the thing.
Yeah.
But I wish it was a bit up over that floor.
But I think the others up. Just that I think we need to
no, hakuna vacant.
Yeah, maybe this is the only vacant.
Wow.
It's big. This one you can fit in everything. And then oh my god, the kitchen here is The
lighting.
kitchen is well lit. This
Hey,
one,
at least finally.
one.
The lighting of it.
Where this one is well lit. This is well lit. Even the laundry area. Oh, and this is bigger.
It's bigger.
This is bigger than the 2-bedroom one. I think this one ndo wanamalizia. From what I'm saying, because mafila kila malizi.
I guess haijaikuwa na watu, si ndio? Ama ilikuwa na
first one. I don't think so, because hizi fila zote kama ilikuwa na mtu haikuwa na mtu.
haikuwa na mtu.
So it's locked na wanamalizia.
You'll be the first one.
The first one, yeah.
In here.
Yeah, this is amazing.
Kuna place ya fridge.
Yeah. The entry table.
Uh-huh.
Let's not check out the bedrooms. Oh, this is now a tiny one.
The tiny.
Yeah, looks like an office to me.
Uh-huh.
Looks like an office. Oh, there's not a fixture. That's what I noted. And then the window is amazing. At least there's some lighting coming in.
This one is not at all.
But for me, it's still not a good vibe in
A
here.
good vibe? Yeah.
I only love the sitting room, but in here,
it's just the same.
yeah,
And then there's so they have this one for the guest bathroom, washroom.
Yeah.
And then this is the master and 2 bedrooms have.
This is the master bedroom.
No, I don't think what is I told you.
Hanging lines, wanafua, but it's because it's on a new.
But I like the wall of whatever's cabinetry and everything.
It's spacious.
Just like, yeah, just put in all the things and
You can have your bags on the other end.
Yeah, everything goes in. Like, hapa, you are sorted. Oh, look at that. Watu wa makoti, maviatu, everything.
Dresses.
Zote. Unaweka hapo ndani and then you forget about it. Hebu tuone kama hizi master, let's in the master.
Master bedroom, but it's spacious anyway.
No way. Imagine that is the master. That is the master. Look at this one. This is not a suit.
Small.
The bedrooms are small, but you know there's something they usually say with design work, especially here in Nairobi, when you're doing like a 3-bedroom and a 2-bedroom, you find that 2 bedrooms are actually better than 3-bedroom. Because 3-bedroom they tend to squeeze some things, just like add that extra room to make money and everything. But looking at it the way it's looking, I think I would take the 2-bedroom.
Same. I would go for a 3-bedroom.
And
The
just
1-bedroom is way better.
yeah, I compromise on the limit.
Plus the lighting, hakuna, unlike the other one.
The other one, yeah.
So if you want to compare it between the two, living room, yeah, his big bedroom, big one, and the other one, bedroom.
Yeah.
And the kitchen, people like
Yeah, sure. That's the only difference actually. But the rest of the things, the 2-bedroom is actually
I think this is the need.
just the
The master
That's
bedroom.
But it's tiny.
Hey, but it's so tiny. I
It's
wouldn't
actually
go
the
for
same
it.
size.
Which side of bed?
Now utapata this one is
Put it
around
up
how
for
many?
a
50 something.
A 2x2. Yeah, obviously. This one is actually above.
Above.
It could be 60 plus.
So the only advantage in this 3-bedroom is the kitchen. There is enough light.
Light, yeah.
And then
it's
plus
spacious.
the
And then
sitting room is a
sitting room
bit.
is bigger.
And
But
what else?
nothing else.
Nothing
the 2-bedroom
else.
actually has it because it might be tiny, but it carries the day.
Yeah.
Because for this one, it's just the extra room. Because even the master here is tinier than the master in the 2-bedroom.
So if I'm asked, I would always tell someone to go for the 2nd bedroom. And plus being a ground floor, I wouldn't advise someone to use it. Kwanza pia if you have a kid.
Yeah.
Ama huko hakuna baridi.
Kuna baridi.
Kuna baridi.
Kuna baridi, yeah. That I can tell you. Because me hata nikiamia huko mwezi ya kwanza nilikuwa fura nyumba umedaniwa. Even in my living room by the kuna blanket, nikisikia tu baridi hivi najifunika because it's cold. Ruaka is cold actually.